So a lot of people ask, I receive my benefits through an employer. What does healthcare reform mean to me? And that's really going to depend a lot on the employer. And that's the first source that I would encourage anyone to go to find out what's going to happen with my benefits in 2014. Typically, you always want to ask your employer about any changes that they're planning or what they're looking at for insurance. That should always be your very first question. Those who are employed by larger companies, 51 employees or more, are unlikely to see a lot of changes to their offering for benefits for the coming year, but it's definitely worth having a conversation about. Now, the smaller employers, those with 50 or fewer employees, they have a few more options. They certainly can continue to offer benefits to employees. Those are going to be required to cover those essential health benefits, so you'll still have access to your maternity, pharmacy, emergency services, hospital stays. Some employers in the smaller group market are going to decide not to offer coverage to their employees. If that's the case, just means that you'll want to purchase coverage on your own as an individual for yourself and or your family.
There would be a few different ways to shop for the health insurance. One would be going directly to an individual insurance company, or you could contact a local insurance agent or even shop directly on the health insurance marketplace, which would offer, of course, the 4 different levels of insurance. Your bronze plans, silver, gold, platinum, the 4 different metal tiers that are going to be available on the health insurance marketplace, all of which will include the 10 essential healthcare benefits, including things like preventive services, outpatient care, hospitalization, prescription drugs. So regardless of the way that you decide to look for your insurance, it's very important that you fully understand, the health insurance marketplace, the healthcare reform, all the changes coming about, and that's why people like me are here, because we are here to definitely assist in any way that we can in helping you understand the changes that are coming into play.
You'll want to ask about tax credits or advanced premium tax credits as well. Get some assistance in paying for coverage if you're going to be required to purchase it on your own. But again, you want to be aware that those essential health benefits will be available to you, whether it's through your small group employer plan or if you're required to purchase coverage on your own. You're not taking cut rate, downgraded insurance. You will have access to those benefits. And I encourage everyone to investigate those subsidies, because if you're eligible for assistance in covering those major medical expenses or lowering your deductibles, making your insurance more affordable, it's always going to be to your advantage to make sure you take whatever assistance you're eligible for.